Tonight, me and my brother are going to be taking this drug. The number is 113. See, it says right there, 113.
If you can see it.
So we're going to be putting it right there on my desk. I see my chocolate bar. And we're going to be taking the drug. Okay. It's good. Okay. We're going to be taking this drug. And king size Hershey bar right here. Yeah, so we're going to do it in 3, 2, and wait, this drug will not mess us up or anything. It's kid friendly. 2, 1.
Show your hands.
I'm even chewing. Yeah, this Hershey bar's good.
Unspeakable. Out.